Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hey, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today, we're going to talk about toe rings, the benefit of wearing toe rings. Now, toe rings, they were worn by women in India for thousands of years. Now, there are many kinds. One of the toe rings that women wear on the second big toe, the long toe, not the biggest toe, the next to it, the second toe from the next to the big toe, the second toe, women wear it. This toe rings has a special purpose. Now, as you know, all our nerves are connected to our toes and hands, nerve endings. So from the second toe next to the big toe, the nerves are connected to the uterus and the heart. So wearing a toe ring on the second toe, which is worn by most married women in India, and it was a custom years back, but now women don't wear it because they have to go to work, wear sandals and shoes. It's kind of uncomfortable with socks and toe rings. So that the reason for wearing that toe ring, because that regulates the periods, and it also regulates the hormone and stop the hormonal imbalance, and it's good for the uterus. So it's good for keeping women fertile and making them able to have a good safe pregnancy, and also ensuring their ability to conceive and go to a full term and have a healthy baby. So the ring on that toe is specifically for any problems related to the uterus or female organs, and also any problem related to the heart. So wearing that toe ring also helps with keeping the blood pressure on the normal range, and then so it makes the period regular and gets rid of all the discomfort from the period, and makes a woman fertile so she can have baby easily, she can conceive easily, and also keeps the heart good and pumping at a good rate. So keeps the blood pressure at the bay and keep problems with the heart at the bay. And then it makes the childbirth easy, and it makes the having the period without the discomfort of the period. And it's really good for men, and many women used to wear it, and obviously men nowadays don't wear it, but years back the men wore it too. So the married couple, they both wore the toe ring on the second toe, just like people wear the marriage ring on the ring finger. So they wore the toe ring, and now there are a lot of different designs. Some design like a fish, there's the pointy toe, pointy part in the front, pointy part in the back, and looks like a fish. They were the most beneficial. And also it has to be made out of silver, because silver kind of takes the positive energy and puts back into the body, and also is very protective towards bacteria and viruses. A silver metal is very good for being an antibacterial and antiviral. So the toe rings has great benefit to the woman. So they wear the toe rings. It's good for the heart, good for the uterus, good for all female organs. So this was a small video about toe ring, how This is very famous, used to be extremely famous, and years back man and woman both used to wear. Then it became just women wearing, and then it became a statement, fashion statement, but it has have a good scientific reason. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. Good night, bye bye, sweet dreams. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.